would like to greet you the happy birthday and I wish you the best of everything. Sorry, I'm not the speaker straight, but I'm just adjusting. What's it, friends, huh? What do you want? I will give you this, and everything. This is I'm so rich, my nigga. Happy birthday. Live what you want and want what you live. Thank you, sir. I love you, brother. I love you, and I know you love me. Peace out, man.
Ready? Let's go. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday to you.
Everything sucks. Just kidding, everything is great. No, really, I haven't thought about my ex today. Oh wait, fuck, I just did. But I went outside for the first time in a few days, and it felt nice, and I might try.
真似できないよこのスワッグ、俺たちにしかないスワッグ、肩の力抜いてラックラック、遊び働いて曲書く。
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear sister. Happy birthday to you.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday to you.
Happy birthday, who's stolen my heart. Enjoy your special day. Be happy and healthy always. I love you.
Para sa napaka-espesyal na tao na nakilala ko dito sa apps na to, maligayang kaarawan sa iyo, mahal kong Luna. Sana matupad mo lahat ng pangarap mo sa buhay, mag-ingat ka palagi, at manalig sa Diyos. I wish you all the luck and all the best in life. I love you, baby. Take care.
Hi Luna, happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday Luna. Oh my god, good health always Luna. Best wishes for your birthday, enjoy your day, still stay pretty. Di na ko need mag-trauma because si Sarina natin trauma queen. Birthday.
Hi GF, so yun nga, birthday mo nga ngayon, but first of all, I want you to don't make drama this time, okay? After the event, then you can. I know that you're a drama queen, so I'm stopping you from, stop your tears, don't cry this time, okay? Ano ba sasabihin ko? Happy birthday to you GF. I don't wanna say too much drama here because I already grade you in your inbox, diba? I send you a message in exactly 12 o'clock in Philippines time. So happy birthday, enjoy your day, wishing you all the best in your life, and ano pa ba? So ayun lang GF. I hope you appreciate this. Happy birthday GF. I love you. Anything for you. It's na alls. Yan lang. Love you. Happy birthday ulit. Enjoy your day.
Hello Luna.
Happy birthday. More birthdays to come, more blessings to come, and God bless you. Bye.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday to you. So ayun, Luna, today is your special day. So I wanna greet you happy birthday and more birthday to come. God bless you always and mag-ingat ka palagi. Always be friendly, humble, at sana walang magbabago kung ano yung friendly nyo ni Twinnie, ganun pa rin hanggang sa dulo. So once again, happy birthday and God bless you always. Ingat!
Hi, Miss Inday Luna, our birthday girl. Happy birthday. I hope you enjoy your special day and more candles to blow. Send you all birthday wishes and may God bless you always. Basta mo to mabuhay ka hanggat sa gusto mo. Love you.
I-greet day na ako ang pinakagwapa o pinaka-sexy nga naila-ila na ko diri sa imo. Happy birthday, Luna. I hope God gave you a lot of birthday to come, a lot of celebration to come, more years to come, more candles to blow, more cake to slice, more lechon. More lechon. And more red horse to get knocked down. Palahubog ba? Pero ay, happy birthday, Luna. I hope you will enjoy your day and be strong always. Trust in God. God is good all the time. And unta, ma-meet na ni mo imuhang true love. Yung ma-meet mo na yung superhero ng buhay mo. Take care and enjoy your beautiful.
Hi, di ay sa usa ka tawo diha nga lamiun. Nga nag-celebrate siyang adlaw na tawhan karong adlaw or birthday sa iyang kaarawan. And I know happy ka to be with your family, sa imong mga amigan, igsoon, mga mahal sa kinabuhi, unta, malipayon ka hangtod sa hangtod. I know daghang trials, malagpasan ra nimo o di ka maghubog og maayo ha, basig magkaniat ka. Single ra ba? Pero okay lang na, basta enjoy lang ha, and be humble always. Unta, madawat, makabot nimo, ma-reach nimo imong pangarap sa buhay. And always good health. Mabuhay. Happy birthday ulit.
Hey Luna, wishing you a birthday that's as wonderful and special as you are. And a very special person deserve an equally special day. Happy birthday to you.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday. Happy birthday. Happy birthday.